Welcome back again. In this video I'll be talking about how to change your Google form into the quiz in your mobile device. So guys, in the previous video I have already talked about how to create the Google Forms in mobile. So in this video I'll giving you idea about how to convert the Google form into the quizzes. So let's start the today's topic, and this is the form that we have created in our previous video. At the top, you can see there is a 3 dot. So click in the 3 dot. When you click in the 3 dot, you'll get the preview option at the top. Just down the preview you'll get the setting. Just click in the setting options. So when you click in the setting options, you can get the general over here. After that there is a presentation. If you go again over there, just by the side of the presentation, you'll get the quizzes. So what you can do here is you can just hit a make this a quiz, right? And after that you can see here you need to click in the save button. Just click in save button. After that, you can come to your questions, and you can add the answer key. You can see there is a tick box over here, so just click over here, and you can give the points for this question, and simply you just choose the correct option. Pick the odd one. Here card is the odd one, so it's done. And you can do the similar things with other questions as well. So this is how, guys, you can convert your Google Forms into the quiz from your Android phone. So, and regarding about the sharing things, I have already told you in the previous video also. You can now go to the that arrow over here, and there is a link, and when you click here you can sort on this link and copy this link, and after copying you can share it to your students in your Google Classroom or in any other online classroom, or simply you can go here and just type the Gmail ID over here and you can send it to the students. So guys, this is how you can change the Google form into the quiz from your Android phone or in your mobile device. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. See you in next video.